Hello and welcome to today's video on primary succession. Primary succession is a key process in the development of ecosystems, and it refers to the gradual establishment of plant and animal communities on previously uninhabited or barren lands. Let's start by discussing what is meant by barren lands. These can be areas where natural processes, such as volcanic eruptions, glacial movements, or erosion, have created new surfaces of bare rock or soil. Another example is a sand dune, which can be considered barren because it lacks the necessary conditions for plant growth, such as soil and moisture. So, what happens when these barren lands are exposed? Well, that's where primary succession comes in. It's the process by which ecosystems are built from the ground up, starting with the colonization of the bare rock or soil by pioneer species. Pioneer species are hardy and adaptable organisms that can tolerate the harsh environmental conditions of barren lands. They are typically the first organisms to colonize these areas and are key to the success of primary succession. Examples of pioneer species include lichens, mosses, and pioneer plants such as grasses, which are able to tolerate extreme conditions such as high temperatures, strong winds, and limited soil and moisture. Once the pioneer species are established, they begin to alter the environment in ways that make it more hospitable to other organisms. For example, lichens and mosses help to create soil by breaking down the rock and retaining moisture. They also provide habitat and food for other organisms, such as insects and birds. As the environment becomes more favorable, other species begin to colonize the area, leading to the establishment of a more complex ecosystem. Over time, the ecosystem will continue to develop and mature, with successive communities of plants and animals replacing each other as the conditions change. It's important to note that primary succession can take hundreds or even thousands of years to reach its final stage, but it's a crucial process in the development of ecosystems and the maintenance of biodiversity. In conclusion, primary succession is the gradual process of ecosystem development that occurs on previously uninhabited or barren lands. It starts with the colonization of the bare rock or soil by pioneer species, leading to the establishment of successive communities of plants and animals, and finally resulting in a mature ecosystem. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been informative and educational. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.